You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this perfume, Eau de Toilette by Hermès. If you want to learn more luxury brand names, make sure to stay tuned, we got them all here. Un jardin sur la lagune. It means a garden on the lagoon. Alright, so let's break this down. French pronunciation here and how you can say it in English. Un jardin sur la lagune. Un jardin sur la lagune Hermès. In English you can say un jardin sur la lagune. Un jardin sur la lagune. Or un jardin sur la lagune. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.